people of the internet, my name is Killian Jansen, and today I will be showing you how to fix an inner tube. So what you need is a repair kit, which we got from Walmart for about $5, a tub of water, and a pump, and of course
a bike with a flat
tire. So first things first, we have to get off the tire. So if I can open this. There we go. I was opening from the wrong side. Okay. First off, we take these, and we have to get this part of the tire.
Yeah, just no. Oh, you have to do it the other way.
Yeah.
You put that under.
Yep.
No. All the way under. Yeah, I only have one hand, so you have to do it.
All the way under, and
yeah, you hook it behind one of the spokes. There. That's one. Do a little bit over. No, just yeah.
You grab it.
Hook it behind.
And then you grab the next one. Go under, pull it up.
And then the one that falls out you use for the next.
Okay, so next what you do is you have to find the inner tube. So lift it up. Under. There it is. It's really flat.
Take it all out. Yeah,
take it all out.
Right.
And turn it so that this part is in the middle.
And pump it up a bit.
Pump it up.
Or just take the whole thing out actually. Right, I'll take that one out too. Hang on.
No. Pump it up a little bit. So after you take it off, you pump it up a little bit. So we got a hand pump. And then we put it.
Take it off. Oh, I feel it already. It's here.
Yeah. You take it off. You put it in the water. And when it starts bubbling,
see, got the culprit right away.
There it is.
Where?
It's right there.
Hang on, put it back in. Oh yeah, I see it.
So now what we do? So now you scrape it off a bit so that you can.
You can do it a little bit harder because you have to make the surface. Oh, not too hard. You have to make the surface rough so that the sticker sticks better. Right, stop.
There. Now you grab one of these stickers.
Don't make a fold in it though, do it careful. There you go.
You grab it.
Hang on, it's still a bit wet there.
Don't forget to dry it off, or else the sticker won't stick. And then you stick it on.
Right, the other one.
And now we gotta go for the other one.
And the other one is right there too. Right, next you get some help in to blow up the tire.
Amber.
Yeah, let's see if it works, guys.
Put it underwater.
Yay!
It's not leaking anymore, and it looks like it's pumped up. Now we went inside the tire to make sure that there was nothing in there, and there was nothing luckily. And then what you do first to put the inner tube back on is you put the valve in first.
All the way through?
All the way through.
Is it?
I think it is. Nope. Now, there. Now it is. And then you lift it up.
Oh, you didn't, did you? Oh, Amber, great. Let's come out.
Oh, yes. No. You work to the valve. Not to the valve.
You work away from the valve first, on the one side. So do that side first.
To the, away from the valve. Make sure there's
help you in a minute.
No twists or turns.
You don't have to put it around the wheel, hey? You just have to put it inside the tire. Watch out.
The tire. And it's now we finish it off. Leave it all in there. And now we put
Start at the top.
at the top.
So
Put the
across
valve
from
at the
valve.
bottom. And you put it,
That's the hardest part, hey?
yeah.
No, you go towards the valve on the one side. Pull it over until you get there to the valve.
Don't see the valve.
Right by your fingers right now. Here.
There it is.
Right, now you go the other
Yeah.
side.
You go to the other side.
You show some strong finger muscles there though. Almost like, yay, you did it.
Yeah.
Right, pump it up and you're
you go.
done. Good job, mate.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Now I'm pumping up the
There you
tire.
go. Turn it upside down. I mean the right way up, I guess.
Alright, way up. And
Ta-da! Your brother's got his bike
Yep.
back. Thanks, Gillian.
see you next time.